Hi, I want to make a quick video to go along with my written review of this Bluetooth speaker. I really like this speaker. I've been using it at night by my bedside, and last night I fell asleep to music. I had it paired to my iPhone, listening to Pandora. Right now I'm making the video with my iPhone and I have this paired to my tablet. So it's very versatile. You can, pair it to your devices. Right now I have it plugged in. This is a USB cord and I have it plugged into the wall because the battery was low. Probably because I had it unplugged last night on my bedstand. So yeah, you charge it, and once it's charged up, you can move it around unplugged. And I'm gonna turn up the volume so you can hear it. The buttons are up here. That's as loud as it goes. The speaker's over here. And back here. And when I'm done, you'll be fast asleep. Okay, I'm turning it down. So there's also buttons where you can go forward and back. So like right now I'm listening to Pandora. If you want to hit forward, you can skip the song. So I just hit forward and now a different song is playing. Over here, this is how you turn it on. And mode. So you can have it the time, like when you're not playing music, if you just want to have the time displaying, you can do that. This is the day. This is my alarm clock. You can turn the alarm clock on or off. And once you get to blue, that's when the Bluetooth will connect to your device and it'll start playing. When you're setting up this speaker, when you're going around to the modes and you want to change your time, you're going to hold down the mode button and then press these forward and back buttons to get to your correct month, day, year, the correct time, and then to set your alarm clock. So it's pretty simple. I figured it out pretty much without looking at the directions. I glanced at them for a couple of things, and luckily the directions are really well written. I appreciate that. So if you need assistance, you should be able to get everything you need out of the directions. So it's really simple, to turn up the volume, turn it down, or you can turn up the volume on your phone if you're using that device. And again, here's the back. So, right now I have it hooked into the USB port. And it has a spot for a micro SD chip. It has an auxiliary port. You can turn the whole thing on and off back here. And it's a really good sounding speaker for the money, so I would highly recommend it. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll be happy to try and answer them for you.